Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to the world of bullshit maths, where I'm gonna share with you how you can make $1 million in a couple of minutes without lifting a finger, without pressing a keyboard, a key on your keyboard, without doing anything but, watching kids. I don't even think that's impossible. Can you make $10 million in 5 minutes? Or in a couple of minutes? Can you? I don't know, maybe if you're Elon Musk, maybe. Let's just re-record the intro all again, okay? Hey everybody, what's up? On this video, you'll find out how to make money without a website. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are amazingly well. Welcome to another video and thank you for watching this video. Thank you for all of the support, all of the stuff, all of the comments, all of the stones that you throw at me as I go by. I really appreciate that. But that guy that threw the stone and ran away, I'm not happy about you, buddy. So if you're watching this, let's just call me so we can arrange. I can give you my insurance details and whatnot. But if you're not that guy, if you're watching this, thank you once again for watching. And in this video, I'm going to answer the question if you actually need a website to make money online. Now with that said, I wanted to invite you to join the free Facebook group, which is a community of entrepreneurs, marketers, and whatnot. And the sole purpose of that community is to overthrow the government. I'm just kidding. The sole purpose of that community is to actually help you getting more leads and clients and pretty much helping you getting to the next level. And I'm not about to say what kind of government we want to overthrow because I don't want NSA watching this video. So. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe, the like, whatever you're seeing this video. So if you have a like or share or subscribe button below, or you can leave a comment, don't forget to do it, okay? It will make me so much so happy that I cannot even start to describe it. It will potentially get a little bit nasty if I do, so let's just not get into that. So the question that I get a lot from students and from friends that they want to start with their online business is, do I need a website to make money online? And specifically, I just wanted to put a nice number in it, which was $10K a month. Do I need a website to make $10K a month, to make $10,000 a month? And no matter what kind of money you're making, if you're starting out, if you're, you want to start doing your first dollar online, or if you're already making $2-3 grand and you actually think that you need a website, the short answer is no. You do not need a website to make money online, and here's why. Now, I was talking to a friend the other day. He wanted to launch this specific project online, and he was telling me, well, I got quoted a website. It was around $5K, and I don't have the money to do that. And I told him, okay, so wait a second. Like, why would you want to go ahead and develop a website when you don't have a proven concept first? When you're making $0 right now with your project, whatever that is. So I think that there's this belief that you need a website to make money online. Now, don't get me wrong. At some point, you might need a website. In fact, that's one of the things that we do on my agency. We design websites for people from time to time, well, among other things. But right off the bat, we don't start with that. What we do is to either A, set up a funnel, set up a sales funnel, or B, set up a Facebook page or an Instagram profile. And all you need is a place for people to go to, find out more about your product, and basically a shopping cart. And that's it. You don't need a website initially. And initially, if you try to come up with money to actually go out there and build a website or hire a designer or whatever, it's not the most productive way of starting your online business, if you ask me. Now, the reality is that a website you control, you can add pixels, you can do a bunch of things, you can capture emails and whatnot, but it's not your top priority. Your top priority should be to solve a need, to find a concept, to prove a concept, and then go from there. It's not like you need to build a website just for the sake of building a website because you think that you will need a website to make money. So again, you only need maybe a landing page, which is not a website, and there's gonna be a link somewhere around here telling you why a landing page or a sales funnel is not your website. So pay close attention to that. So maybe you need a landing page, and on some cases, not even that. Like I'm coaching some people that all they have is an Instagram profile and a shopping cart, and they're doing really well. So that's another option. Now, here's a word of warning though. What you need to have in mind is that your Facebook page, your Facebook group, your Instagram profile, your Kickstarter campaign, they do not belong to you. They belong to the platform where you're borrowing that piece of real estate or virtual real estate. What I mean with this is that if you have an Instagram profile and all that you're doing is to sell via Instagram, and then Instagram decides to go ahead and ban your profile for whatever reason, then you're screwed. You're making $0 from, tonight to tomorrow morning. So you need to have that in mind. Whatever you are advertising, whatever you are, advertising your business, if you don't have a website, you will have a landing page and you will have a Facebook page or an Instagram profile. You do not need a website initially, but all of those websites that are free, you are borrowing a piece of real estate from them. So at some point when you're making some money, you want to migrate to an environment that you can control. Again, it's not a website for the most part. It can be a sales funnel, which is just a compilation of 4 different web pages. It's not even like a regular website, but that should be your aim. Like, try to build a business without using a website. Use that money that a designer can charge you, or that time that you will be investing into growing your own website. If you're into hosting and all of that, go ahead and you can do that. But the money that you are spending right now into building a website will be way better spent into advertising, will be way better spent into tools like ClickFunnels or lead pages. That's all you need to get started. Now, ClickFunnels also acts as a shopping cart. If not, you have several solutions. You can start with PayPal. If you have $0 right now, you can start with PayPal, or you can start with something like Samcart, which is $99 a month or something like that, and it will allow you to have your shopping cart charged with credit card and pretty much brag to your friends saying, yeah, I have this shopping cart, it's pretty cool, and yeah, I charge with credit cards and whatnot, it's pretty damn cool. So again, the number one priority should be to find a product and to solve a need. The way that you can do that, there's a lot of free stuff out there that will, allow you to build a website or a web page, or even, gather leads and whatnot. But initially, do not spend your time or your money building a website. Just launch from your Instagram profile, launch from your Facebook page, and then as you make some money, then you can hire a designer to do your website and to do whatever you want. Now, if you're not starting out, there's also this sin that many companies, they think that changing their website, or that maybe they already have a website and their website is kind of dated and it doesn't look good on mobile and whatnot, and they make this assumption that just because they're changing their website design, everything will come out nice and easy and everything will change for the better. Now, I know that it's sexy to go after a website because, again, you can turn on the monitor, if I can find the mouse over here. Oh, damn. I know it's sexy to go ahead and think that a website will solve all of your problems, but that's not the case. Usually you want to focus on the boring stuff. I know that a website is sexy. You can add your brand, you can add your logo, you can go through, you can go nuts going on, for example, theme forest, trying to picture what your website will look like and whatnot. But that's not what's giving you money at the end of the day. And it doesn't matter if you're a big company, if you're a small company, if you're a coach, a consultant, or an agency. Having a website, I would say, is like the second or third phase, even further if you're starting out. And if you want to sell more, it's not about the website. It's about how people are finding you and what kind of funnels they're using to purchase your product. So don't think that just changing a website, which is super sexy and super fun, it will go ahead and change your business for the better, because it can potentially drain your pockets and your time more often than not. So with that said, guys, I just wanted to lay the foundation and tell you why I don't think that you need a website. Focus on what matters, which is selling, getting customers initially, and then a website can come afterwards. So thank you once again for watching, and I hope that you subscribe to the channel if you're watching this on YouTube, that you subscribe to the page if you're watching this on Facebook, and if you just got this on an iPad that I sent you because you're a mystery winner, then you don't need to subscribe to anything. You can just keep the iPad. That would be pretty cool, right? I'm not giving away iPads, not for now, but maybe at some point in the future if you subscribe, who knows. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.